Potato planting's on hold because Frank broke a bolt or something.
That's right, Frank broke a bolt.
And then he's gonna weld it.
No, he'll drill it out and refabricate it, but I think there's some twisted metal in here.
So maybe hit a rock which bent a plow type wedge at the bottom. Which bent the trough for our potatoes.
I understand what's going on here. Did I see what's going on?
Cool.
That'll be $50 per minute. For interview time?
Finally getting potatoes in the ground. It's been really wet this spring. It's June 8th. We're planting the Ranger indeterminates down in front of the house here. Well, potatoes are planted. I'm working on the garlic. Right now I see two sharp-tailed grouse sneaking up on my garlic. 3 sharp-tails sneaking up on the garlic. 4 sharp-tails. What naughty sharp-tails? You trying to nest in my garlic? Nesting in the garlic. What bad sharp-tails?